Hey, welcome back to my channel. PWR AC cable replacement power cord 2 prong 6 feet. Features power specs, high quality 2 prong extra long 6 feet AC power cord connectors, IEC 60320C7 figure 8 to NEMA 1-15P rows certified in ASPT 12C18AWG105C300V VW11085440-001FT1. Compatibility: LED LCD Smart TV Monitor Samsung, LG Sharp, Canon Pixma, HP Brother Epson Lexmark, PS2, PS3 Slim, PS4, Dell Sony Asus Gateway Toshiba Laptop, Printer, Scanner, Game Console, Entertainment System, Audio Multi-Room Speaker, Music System, Sound Bar, Retro Boombox, Action Keyboard, Digital Piano, Charging Dock, Wireless Backup, Wi-Fi base station, laptop notebook charger, camera battery charger and other devices requiring 2-prong AC cord. Check. LED LCD Smart TV, Monitor, Printer, Scanner, Game Console, Entertainment System, Audio Multi-Room Speaker, Music System, Sound Bar, Retro Boombox, Action Keyboard, Digital Piano, Charging Dock Samsung LED LCD TV Home Audio Theater Monitor Soundbar Sonos Playbar, JBL Cinema Clips Referencer 20B Yamaha Sound Bar YAS106, YAS107BL, YAS207BL Zevo X Soundbase 570, Dell, Sony, Acer, Asus, Gateway, Toshiba, MSI, Compact Laptop Charger and warranty, 30 days refund, 24 months exchange. PWR Plus is WA, USA-based company. We are friendly customer support experts. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.